thunderstorm warning for Indiana, central Pennsylvania, southern Jefferson County and west central Pennsylvania, Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, southern Butler County and west central Pennsylvania, northern Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County and west central Pennsylvania, Allegheny County and southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County and southwestern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles southwest of Reimersburg to near Imperial, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs. Siding entries. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Min Township, Greensburg, McKeesport, Indiana, Butler, Franklin Park, Jeanette, Aliquippa, Latrobe, Punxsutawney, Vandergrift, Kittanning, and Homer City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at North Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Indiana, Jefferson and Westmoreland,